Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Facebook app. Then go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then scroll down on your timeline and select a particular post that you were tagging. So this particular post right here, I'm going to untag myself right here. So for every tag post, you're going to see the rest of the people that we are tagging. However, I'm going to show you on how to untag yourself on a post that you don't want on your timeline. For that, click on these three dots right here. Go ahead and click on remove tag. Then go ahead and click on confirm. Then click on not now. Once you remove tag, then here we go. You are no longer tagged in this post, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Facebook account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.